The next app I'd like to show you, Kat, is Contacts. Now, Contacts used to be available by clicking up in here somewhere, but it's gone. So to get to Contacts, we're going to either need to go to the application launcher or the URL. I'm going to choose the application launcher this time, and there it is.
And this is my address book, right?
Right.
Okay.
So you'll see I've got just a few that I've already added. If I would like to add another one, it's very similar to creating a new message. You have plus to create contacts. So all through this set of applications, you're going to see a lot of similarities. So I'm going to add Sarah Brown. Notice you have extra information you can put, but if you want to just put their email, you can do that too. And click Save. Now, I do have a couple of labels already. I have one, Bigger Brains. And if I click on it, I can see who's in it. And I have one called Family. So here's the Bigger Brains one. If when I was in my Gmail, I sent a message to Bigger Space Brains, it would go to these two people. So this is a way you can send Gmail to groups of people.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's great.
Yes. So again, Contacts integrates nicely with Gmail and has some similarities in the interface.
Okay, so do I have to go to Contacts to add contacts? Is there a way for me to add them straight from my Gmail account?
Well, yes, there is. Let's come back over here. I've got a message open from you, and notice when I hover over it, it gives me the option to add that to Contacts.
Oh, that's great. So easy.